What's up, guys? For every new subscriber, I'm going to be doing one push-up at the end of the month. It's going to be filmed, it's going to be uploaded, it's going to be crazy. So subscribe, it's free. You can always change your mind later. We got some tier 3 patrons as well. We got James, Ian, Marissa, Charles, Zachary, and Trisha. Thank you guys so very much. You know why we're here? Let's get right into it. That's some nice bass. Ooh. Ooh. Nice lead guitar, but dude, the bass is killing it. I spoke too soon. Whoa! Dude, that is sick. It's like an oldies rock, but with a modern twist. I love these like layered or harmonized vocals. They're very old school. It sounds amazing. Whoa, that reminded me of something. Ooh, this note is reminding me of a song. Dude, I just got a rush of something. I don't know what it was. That was really, really cool. That's gonna bother me though. We're just breaking it down. Jamming. Go in. That was sick. The energy. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. That was amazing. I cannot tell you what song that reminded me of. It's gonna bother me, but maybe one day I'll figure it out. That was Microwave. I guess this band is called Microwave. This track Mirrors, new listen here. New band, I guess I should say. Really, really good stuff. This had kind of like this oldies rock feel, but with this like kind of heavier twist, a lot of those kind of classy sounds, really, really nice bass line. The guitar, some like kind of weird synthy stuff going on, I think. A lot of those kind of like oldies retro-y feels. I don't really know how to describe it. Just kind of like this nostalgic sound, especially in the vocals. The way that those were either layered or harmonized. I think they're layered because I only saw the one guy singing here, but dude, this was awesome. And that one note, like at that one moment in the song where he started singing that one really long note a couple of times after as well, it reminded me of another song, old song. I don't know what it was, but again, I love when music does that. There's just certain sounds, certain structures, patterns, whatever, that just trigger like a memory from some time in the past, and you don't even know what that memory is. It's just like, dude, you're like, oh my gosh, what is that? It reminded me of something. It's just a cool feeling. I really, really enjoyed that. I hope you guys enjoyed as well, and as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.